Do you know about Madhubani art? Have you ever heard about Bihar's Madhubani railway station? Not only that, Bihar's Sampark Kranti Express, Jan Sadharan Express, as well as Rajdhani Express are also being painted with the beautiful traditional art form that is Madhubani art. Madhubani art is one of the oldest and most famous Indian art forms. It is named after the Madhubani district of the Mithila region of Bihar, India, which is where it originated. It is also called Mithila art as it was first created at Mithila, the birthplace of Hindu goddess Sita. When goddess Sita and Lord Rama were to be married, King Janak, father of Sita, asked for paintings to capture moments of the marriage. The paintings were traditionally practiced by female members of Brahmins and Kaishta caste and was done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts, but now they are also done on cloth, handmade papers and canvas. Madhubani paintings typically depict scenes from the Hindu mythology and everyday life in the Mithila regions. The paintings often depict gods and goddesses as well as scenes from the epic tales of Ramayana and the Mahabharata. In addition to this religious theme, Madhubani paintings also depict nature, animals, scenes from everyday life such as weddings and festivals. One of the unique features of Madhubani painting is the use of a distinctive line art style. The lines in Madhubani paintings are typically bold and thick and are used to outline the figures and objects in the paintings. The lines are also used to create patterns such as brush strokes, dots, cross hatchings, and decorative elements such as flowers, geometric shapes. Mithila art has 5 distinct styles: Bharni, Kachni, Tantrik, Godna, and Kohobar. Bharni. Bharni is a Hindi word meaning feeling. The painting is filled in with profound use of the bright and vibrant colors. Kachni. The style comes from the Kashta community. It is a very unique style as it uses only a monochrome scheme. The style depicts mainly animals, flora and fauna. Tantrik. The style is known to depict religious and traditional texts of Hinduism. The paintings also have the influence of Tantra in its painting patterns. These patterns are generally made in people's home during special occasions. Kotna. The style is considered to be the most straightforward method of Madhubani paintings and was discovered by Chanu Devi. The style depicts flora and fauna, the trees of life, etc. The style is done majorly on canvas. Kohbar. Kohbar. Sorry, it is number 5th and the previous one was number 4th. Considered to be one of the most popular forms of Madhubani paintings, the style has linkages to depict Hindu wedding ceremonies. It also goes by the name of Tantra Raj, Yog Yogni, and Shiv Shakti. The paintings were mainly made on the walls of the bride and groom's home. Significant symbols in Madhubani paintings. Some popular motifs that appear in most paintings are fish, representing fertility, prosperity, and good luck. It represents the presence of goddess Lakshmi. Fish are often depicted in pairs in Madhubani art. Turtles, sorry, spelling mistake, representing. It will be representing. Turtles representing West and union of lovers. Parrots representing romantic love and religion. Snakes, especially coiled ones, represent eternity and the cycle of life. They also symbolize and protect against evil forces. Elephants symbolize strength, wisdom, and good luck. They also represent loyalty and are seen as protectors. The sun and moon represent opposing yet complementary energies of masculine and feminine, light and darkness. Peacock representing beauty, grace, and loyalty. It symbolizes immortality because its feathers don't decay even after the peacock dies. Lotus. Lotus flower symbolizes purity, enlightenment, and spiritual unfolding. It is associated with the deity Lord Vishnu. Bamboo, representing futures, progeny, and male gender. The colors were originally produced using these natural elements such as black was made from burnt barley seeds or shoots for borders and outlines. Yellow was made from the turmeric or chuna, that is lime, mixed with milk from banyan leaf or pollen. Orange was made from polished flower. Red made from juice of the kusum flower or clay. Green was made from bell leaves. White was made from mixing rice powder with water. Light brown was made from mixing cow dung and gum in fresh water. Pink was made from peepal bark being boiled in water. Blue was made from the berries of the herb called shikar. Dark green was made from the siam creeper. Light green was made from sepals of gulmohar. Today, organic and mineral colors are easily available in markets. The imagery was made using these colors, and tools used to paint were bamboo twigs, cotton rugs. Bamboo twigs are used for drawing outlines. Nowadays, paints are also used as Madhubani paintings have also transferred onto canvas, cloth, and paper. The colors are applied flat with no shadings, and there is no white space. For outlines, a double line is drawn, and the space is filled with a cross or straight miniature lines. Despite having been performed for thousands of years, Madhubani paintings were only discovered in 1934 by a British colonial officer named William G. Archer. While inspecting the damage caused by a big earthquake, he came across these paintings on the interior walls of homes in Bihar. Originally, this art was created on mud walls or soil ground on auspicious events and then erased the next day. As a result, these works were not preserved. When the region experienced a severe drought, the All India Handicrafts Board urged the women of the Madhubani district to create paintings on canvas, paper, or fabric in order to begin earning a living. Since then, paintings have evolved in various ways, with Indian painters taking this part of the form as a global scale. International recognition and influence. Madhubani art has gained international recognition, drawing interest from countries such as Japan, France, Germany, and the United States. Mithila Museum was founded in Tokamaki, Japan in 1982 and exhibits thousands of Madhubani paintings of different themes and styles. Now let's see how to draw Madhubani painting in an easy way. any feedback or suggestion, please feel free to write it down in the comment section below. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.